It's filming now. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
You're on camera. Let me zoom in.
bend down,
I can zoom in.
Get down at that level.
I'm zooming in here.
Now you should see the needle bubbling.
Yeah, it's showing that.
And that shows that it's dissolving. When it bubbles, it means that there is an active solution, active on the steel. The other thing to do is time it. Now I'm going to leave it here on an angle, hopefully. Can you still see it? No, you can't.
I see it.
Okay. You want to time it?
Yeah, it's running. It shows the time on it.
Oh, you got time on that?
Yeah,
okay.
It's got a timer on it.
Now you can start one in here if you want.
All right. Can you get both of them?
Well, I can move this a lot closer.
All right.
But
Let me start this by opening the package.
How long is this process estimated?
5 minutes?
Very quick is 3 minutes, and slow is 5 probably.
Are you on a minute, near a minute?
You passed a minute.
Are you near a minute, Nathan? So
Yeah, I'm past a minute. I'm a minute and 30 now.
All right, then a minute and 30, so we drop that in.
You'll notice that the very first of it
You put me in there the first time?
your beaker has ferric chloride. I just put it in the little one.
Yeah.
Ferric chloride is iron rust,
All right.
not problem. It's a catalytic agent.
I can smell it over here.
Let's see the water. The needle that you have is substantial.
You want to sit down?
The needle may take there's a chair right there if you want to get it on the white one.
Okay.
I'll just leave that here.
Never put water into acid.
What happens if you do?
It explodes.
You have a piece of paper. It looks like there's a little bit of something on here.
Like this piece right here?
All right, sir. Oh, he put the camera there. All right.
I'm barely breathing.
You can gag a ghost.
A ghost.
Gag a ghost.
Taking out an ox here.
Not so bad over here.
All right.
Here's all this
This is
muscle you put extra muscle.
good time. Is what they call it.
This is muscle.
Something like that.
Are you working on these here? I don't know. I'm just assuming.
I should. Can't get anything now anymore. This time I think. Hey, don't touch that. I don't want anything dripping
No,
all over
it's
the
not
place,
dripping.
You can't hold yourself.
There was a bubble there, so I turned the glass a
But I
little.
don't want him because he's not to
Yeah.
stick his fingers.
All right.
Where's the trash? Looking up where the trash.
What type of trash is it?
But may have gotten a slight bit of acid on it. May have a little wood.
Years ago when I was younger, we liked station wagons because you could skid the empty beer cans along the roof and pile them up in the back section.
Yeah. Go to Maine or wherever, Michigan, when you get upset.
Maine now.
Those days we were metal cans of steel. That's it. And so we I used to go try to drink the cakes right now. Alright, so I don't know if they dissolve. You've got big needles. It's not going to take 12 minutes. What little needle you got one of those.
So how long does this take versus this chill?
Small diabetic needle, 2 minutes 45 seconds. Very quick. 4 minutes.
And just
You want to put it? You want to get a diabetic? You might have one, Matt?
Yeah, I've got
Okay.
let's set up the camera better.
Well, wait and see what you're doing there before the red, orangey ones are diabetic.
Okay. Here you see here the smaller diabetic.
Yeah, they showed us the.
No, it's working away.
Yeah.
It's doing the best it can do. That's a big needle. It's going down. See the needle dropping there? Look at it go down.
Right.
It's collapsing. There it goes. It's now wiggling.
It's going to collapse soon?
Yeah, it's going down. We saw it dropping.
Oh, I see. It's moving down. Yeah. Yeah.
Which means
Creeping down.
it's crumbling.
Yeah.
Which means it's dying.
So. Phew, yeah, you can swim that.
Well,
There it goes. There it goes. It just broke.
The boys using this professionally would be able to manage the odors by different ways. But a lot of it would be simply they would not be using quite as heavy a material.
It broke, Mac.
Yeah. We'll record the time.
It's done. Record it, Nason.
It's already on there.
All right.
So how's it doing? You got what you want?
I guess.
So what you can do is we can decant those into here and take that with you if you want.
I'll
The
wait.
paperboard on the top will dissolve and we'll take it out eventually. And just the plastic top.
Remember, this thing also records your voice.
That's fine.
So any
There
There it
instruction.
goes.
goes.
Dropped,
There
yeah.
it goes. Yeah.
And it's hooked on this. Okay, so they're effectively gone at this point. There is no recovery of the needle, no use, function of the needle, and there's no infection. So if you have the times recorded, that will tell you what you need to know.
Okay.
Now see, it's a little darker than the original one as it begins to darken. The gelation is a gold color, and the gelation turns black when it dissolves. And you can put 2 needles in the same test tube, which means basically same location. In a gelation 6x6 container, you could probably do 30 to 50 needles standing straight up, and another 30 to 50 needles after that. And then it should be exhausted, in which case then they have to purchase another container. If it is used reasonably fully, then the material is neutral. There's no acid, no base, it's in the middle of the pH scale. Even in an acid pH scale, it's not harmful. to any particular landfill or any use.
It's done.
Just hold the tarp down. There you go. Just put your hand on the tarp. There you go. I've got this end. Somebody get the other end. And that'll.
Oh, it's basically done now. I mean, the needle's gone.
Mm-hmm.
So
It's overkill.
yeah.
Now, whatever is left in there will continue to dissolve. Ferrichloride will continue to dissolve and remain active. If you had this in gelation form, you could put a seal on it where it would stay within the gel. But being in liquid form, you don't have that choice.
You want to put one of these little ones in here?
You could.
Yeah. Yeah. Over here.
Yeah. Matt got a good hit.
Matt walks away, you walk away.
Yeah.
Follow the leader.
Well, it works. And you're perfectly welcome to that sample to take home with you.
Okay.
All knives and forks. Just take
Where do you recommend you just toss it out in the backyard somewhere?
you with dilated water.
You just throw it in? That'll if nothing happens when you put it in.
What about sodium carbonate?
You can eat it.
We have that in the bicarbonate. Baking powder.
Limestone, baking powder, all of it. But all you're going to create is a huge show of basically, it stays a nice acid in the liquid. It's very stable.
It'll seep out. The other needle just pulled.
100 series. And of course they sell about 80–90% of all the sales are the little needles, the big ones.
So you can turn off your camera.
All right, you
That's
want me to
it.
turn that
That's
on?
it.
People do not want the big needle if they can help it. For some reason you approach them with a large needle